Welcome back to SUV Auto, where we dive deep into the world's most exclusive rides. Today, we're unlocking the ultimate Rolls-Royce 2025 Guide A, from its legendary history and mind-blowing supply chain secrets to every model ever made, explained in detail. If you're searching for Rolls-Royce models 2025, where Rolls-Royce parts come from, or Rolls-Royce production secrets, this is your one-stop breakdown. Hit that like button if luxury engineering fires you up. Subscribe for more elite car deep dives, and let's roll into the pinnacle of automotive opulence. Rolls-Royce, not just a car, it's a statement. Founded in 1904 by engineering genius Sir Henry Royce and visionary Charles Stuart Rolls in Manchester, England, the duo's mantra was crystal clear: to build the best car in the world at the best that can be made in as few as possible. Their first hit, the 1907 Silver Ghost, a beast with a 7.0-liter inline-six that ran 15,000 miles without a breakdown, earning the best car in the world title from the Times. Fast forward through wars, mergers, and takeovers, Vickers owned it until 1998, when BMW swooped in, saving the brand from Bentley's grasp. Today, under BMW Group since 2003, Rolls-Royce motor cars crafts silent, bespoke masterpieces in Goodwood. But remember, this is separate from Rolls-Royce Holdings, the aerospace giant powering jets. No confusion here, we're talking pure road royalty. Unlike your average assembly line churn, every Rolls-Royce is born in one sacred spot. The Goodwood headquarters in West Sussex, England, opened in 2003. This 42-acre campus isn't a factory, it's a couture atelier for cars. Over 1,700 artisans, engineers, and designers hand-build each vehicle here, from chassis to starlit headliners. Fun fact, the Bespoke program lets owners dream up wild customizations, like diamond-encrusted dashboards or falcon hood ornaments. All global models emerge from these hallowed halls. A0 outsourcing for final assembly. But where do the parts come from? Rolls-Royce's supply chain is a global masterpiece, sourcing from 18,000 plus suppliers with a £4.7 billion annual spend. Let's break it down. Engines, electronics, straight from BMW Group's high-tech plants in Munich, Germany. That iconic 6.75 liters twin-turbo V12, hand-assembled there with precision tolerances under 0.001 millimeters. Leather, premium hides from 9 elite European tanneries, mainly Bridge of Weir in Scotland. Each cowhide is drum-dyed, pre-shrunk, and hand-marked to excise imperfections. No scars or bites allowed. Over 500 hours per interior. Wood veneers, sustainable walnut, elm burr, or maple from certified UK and European forests, sourced via eco-partners like the Forest Stewardship Council, book-matched for flawless symmetry, then hand-sanded for that buttery feel. Metals, composites, aluminum chassis blanks from UK mills, titanium accents from specialized German forges, carbon fiber for black badge models, lightweight wizardry from BMW's Carbon Labs in Austria. Other gems, tires from Michelin France, paint pigments from BASF Germany, and even thread for stitching from Italian mills. Emerging trend, Rolls-Royce is doubling India sourcing by 2030 for electronics and alloys, blending tradition with global efficiency. This hyper-local yet global chain ensures unmatched quality, but it means wait times up to 6 months for bespoke orders. Now, the heart of Rolls-Royce, its models, wheel timeline, the icons from dawn to 2025, short, sharp details on each era's stars. The foundations, 1904 to 1906, 10 horsepower, 15 horsepower. Royce's debut 2 cylinders, basic but butter smooth, top speed 39 miles per hour, built just 16 units, 1907 to 1926. Silver Ghost, the legend, 7.0 liters inline-six, 80 horsepower, unbreakable reliability. Queen Mary's favorite, 7,874 made, 1922 to 1929. 20 smaller 3.1 liters 6.4 Urban Elites, 2,944 units, elegant coachwork, 1925 to 1931, Phantom I 7.7 liters inline 6, 100 horsepower ghostly silent, 3,557 produced, 1929 to 1936. 2025 Phantom 2A refined 3.7 liters / 7.7 liters engines Derby factory shift, Phantoms for royalty, 1936 to 1939. 2530 Wraith prototype a pre-war Grace 5,700 plus total, post-war boom, 1950s 1970s, Silver Shadows Phantoms, 1950 to 1956, Silver Dawn A first with automatic gearbox 760 units, exported to the US, 1955 to 1965, Silver Cloud i3A 4.9 liters / 6.2 liters V8 Evolutions Cloud 3 hit 120 miles per hour 8,400 plus series, 1959 to 1992, Phantom V, VIA limos for the elite V8 power, armored options, Phantom V, 832 units till 68, 1965 to 1980, Silver Shadow A self-leveling suspension debut 16,847 made a the bestseller, 1971 to 1980, Cornish A convertible Shadow Wind in Hair Luxury, 7,740 units, 1980s 1990s, Turbo Era, 1980 to 1998, Silver Spirit, Spur turbocharged 6.75 liters V12 Spirit 2 facelifts added ABS, 6,300 plus, 1990 to 1998, Bentley Continental RA shared platform but rolls kept pure, BMW Era, 2003 present, Modern Mastery, 2003 to 2017, Phantom, 7th Gen, A flagship return, 6.75 liters V12, 453 horsepower, extended wheelbase option, 4,00 plus sold, 2007 to 2017, Phantom Drophead Coupe Open Air Opulence Wind Deflector Magic, limited runs, 2010 present, Ghost, 1 Street / 2 ND Gen, a younger sibling, 6.75 liters V12, 563 horsepower, 2021 Series 2 Illuminated Fascia. 2025 Update, subtle LED tweaks, enhanced rear whisper suite, 2013 to 2023, Wraith A Coupe de Grace, 624 horsepower V12, Starlight doors, 1,000 per year peak, 2016 to 2023, Dawn A Wraith convertible 593 units in 2023 alone, 2018 present, Cullinan A SUV King, all-terrain luxury, 563 horsepower, 2025 Series 2, refreshed grille, off-road modes upgraded, top seller in China, 2023 present, Spectre EV Revolution, 102 kWh battery, 577 horsepower, 260-mile range, 2025, faster charging, Arcadian Edition teased, black badge variants, 2016 plus, sportier twists a Ghost, Cullinan black badge, 600 plus HP, darker vibes, discontinued, Wraith, Dawn black badge, one-offs like 2017 Sweptail $13 million yacht car or 2023 La Rose Noire Droptail keep the experimental spirit alive, total models, over 30 in 120 years each a chapter in luxury lore, exclusivity is key, Rolls-Royce produces just 6,007,000 cars annually worldwide, that's one every 75 minutes in Goodwood, why so few? Hand building demands time, 450 hours per chassis, 500 plus for interiors, 90% go bespoke, delaying lines, 2024 hit 6,032 units 2025 is 6,500 with Spectre ramp up, from British countryside to Dubai dunes, Rolls exports to 50 plus countries, top dogs, USA, 25% share, China, 20%, Middle East, UE/Saudi/Qatar a 15%, UK, Japan, Germany, South Korea round out the elite club, Cullinan's SUV swagger dominates emerging markets. Ghost Series 2, $350,000 plus Cullinan 2, $400,000 plus Phantom, $500,000, $650,000 Spectre, $420,000 plus Bespoke. Sky's the limit. $1 million for basics, $2M plus for droptails with meteorite inlays, worth every penny for timeless prestige. There you have it, the full Rolls-Royce saga. From silver ghosts to Spectre silence, sourced from the world's finest and built for eternity. Which model dreams call to you? Drop in comments. Phantom or Cullinan? Smash like if this fueled your luxury obsession. Subscribe for 2025 EV deep dives, and ring the bell. Thanks for watching. Drive safe, or better yet, get chauffeured. Until next time, stay exquisite.